Loose hair repair. The breakage is the result of the client continuously brushing her locks. Although the damage is extensive, it can be fixed. How do we fix it? We combine the hair at the root, twist the hair, and use a crochet needle to bring the loose hair back into the lock. Now that the repair is finished, it's time for the retwist. Do you see that crispy retwist? What loose hair? It's not there. This is another Black Girl Magic moment brought to you by the starter lock queen at She Locks Natural Hair Studio in Morrow, Georgia.